Guys, it's me, Peyton. It's gonna take a little bit, cause, yeah. I'm sick, so tomorrow I might make another video, okay? And don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell, save, and don't forget to post all notifications, and like. Yeah. I got... I'll make a video tomorrow, after school. Bye. Bye.